To replace the battery on your Cupra from end to key, which does other VAG group cars, all you're going to need is a small flathead screwdriver. First, you just need to release the key. This then, from the inside, you can work on pushing out the back of the key. Just release it slightly. You can then use your finger just to prise the back cover off. Careful not to break any of the tabs. You will need a 3 volt CR2032 coin battery. At the top of the battery there is a little slot just to insert your small flathead. This then can lever out the battery. It should just pop out like so. To replace the battery, the negative side faces down. Insert at the bottom first and then just pop the battery in. Replace the rear cover, just aligning the tabs. Careful not to break any. It should just clip back in place. And replace the key. Thank you for watching.